It's so nice being a spider, you know, in the house, in the cracks of the wall. Who are you? What the frick? You?
Hi there. Spider.
No.
Know what? I got a better idea.
Wait, no. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? No, what are you doing? Let go of me. No.
Okay, buddy.
You know, it's great being a spider. Oh, wait. Is that the turkey guy's nest with all his children? Yoink! Hello there, little guy.
What are you doing, sir?
To the shredder we go. Such a lovely day today. What's that sound? Oh, shoot. Hey, back.
My son. Did you put him in the meat grinder?
No, I didn't,
Yeah,
sir.
buddy.
No, I
I'm
didn't,
getting this
sir.
hand ready.
Okay, I did.
You're coming with me.
No, where are we going?
Where you don't want
No,
Get
oh.
through here.
No.
Now, I'm gonna put you in a grinder like you did
No,
to my son.
no, please.